Welcome to Judgment Point. Today I'm diving into a controversial court decision that's stirring up debates on religious freedom and immigration enforcement. So here's the deal. A federal judge has ruled in favor of the Trump administration, allowing ICE to carry out operations at houses of worship. This follows a lawsuit from over 24 Christian and Jewish groups who argued that the policy violated their First Amendment rights and resulted in decreased attendance at religious services. Let's backtrack a bit. On January 20th, 2025, the first day of his new term, Trump overturned a DHS policy that previously restricted where immigration arrests could happen. This new policy now permits enforcement in places like churches, provided it's done with common sense and discretion. Religious groups are up in arms, saying this breaks a 30-year-old tradition of considering houses of worship as sensitive locations. They've even cited incidents like an arrest at a Georgia church and surveillance near religious sites to back up their claims. However, Judge Dabney Friedrich wasn't convinced. She questioned whether the policy directly caused the drop in attendance, suggesting broader ICE actions might be the real reason people are staying away from services. She also pointed out that reversing the policy might not necessarily bring congregants back if they're still afraid of ICE in their communities. This ruling is just one piece of the puzzle in a bigger wave of legal battles over Trump's immigration policies. Other cases include ones that require undocumented immigrants to register with the government and even a Supreme Court order to return a mistakenly deported man. What's interesting is how different judges are handling these cases. For example, a judge in Maryland blocked enforcement for some faiths, while a Colorado judge sided with the administration on a similar policy concerning schools. Despite this setback, the plaintiffs are not backing down and plan to continue their legal fight. The tension between religious freedom and immigration enforcement is far from over. What's your take on this ruling? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And that's it for today's episode on Judgment Point. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. See you next time.